Good morning, sir. Today I am going to talk about restoring division method. So, let's see the algorithm of this method. The number of steps required is equal to the number of bits in the dividend. For example, if we have 2-bit number, then the number of steps is equal to 2. If we have 3-bit number, then the number of steps is equal to 3. Next, at each step, left shift the divided by one position. So, for example, now we have 0, 0, 0, 0, and left shift means we have to shift this here 0, 0, 0, and if this is 1 and here is 1. Next, subtract the divisor from A. A means accumulator. If the result is positive, then the step is said to be successful. In this case, quotient will be 1 and restoration is not required. So the result we are talking here is, after performing the subtraction, the divisor from A. So if we get the quotient as 1, then there is no need of restoration. And if we get the negative result, then the step is considered as unsuccessful. In this case, the quotient will be 0 and restoration is performed by adding back the divisor. Hence the method is called restoring division method. So we need to repeat these all steps for all the bits of the dividend. Now let's look into the example. So let's take this first example, 7 divided by 4. We all know that 7 divided by 4 gives quotient as 1 and remainder as 3. So before starting this procedure, let's find out the values of minus 7, plus 7, minus 4 and plus 4 in. So minus 7 value is 0, 1, 1, 1 in binary, and minus 7 is 1, 0, 0, 1, and plus 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0, and minus 4 is 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is a table, and since this 7 is a 4-bit number, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and this is accumulator, this is dividend, this is divisor. Here dividend is 7, divisor is 4, and accumulator is 0. So let's write the initial values. Initial values means the accumulator value is 0, so 0, 0, 0, 0, and dividend is 7, 0, 1, 1, 1, divisor is 4, 0, 1, 0, 0. So step 1 is left shift. Left shift means we need to shift this here, and this should be given as an empty bit. Next step is to subtract m. So we need to subtract m, and this is the result. Since we have 1 at the end, the number we got is negative and it is an unsuccessful event. So we need to restore the term as mentioned in the steps. So after restoration, we will get 0, 0, 0, 0. Since the step is unsuccessful, we need to write 0 at the end here. And let's proceed to the step 2. In step 2, we need to follow the same initial procedure, left shift. So left shift here is also same like we did before. Here 0, here 0, here 0, here 1, here 1, here 1, here 0, and at the end we need to keep this empty. Next, subtract m, that is 1 1 0 0, and after subtracting we will get 1, here 0, here 1, and here 1. Since we again got 1 at the end, it means the number we got is a negative number, so the result is unsuccessful. Then we need to restore 0 0 1 1, and at the end, since we got the number as negative, so we need to keep this as 0. Next, step 3. Step 3 is also same as we did for 1 and 2. First, left shift the number. So left shifting means again here it's 0, here it's 0, here it's 1, here it is 1 1 0 0, and this we need to keep it empty. And next, subtract m. After subtraction we will get result as 1 1 1 1. Since again we got this as 1, the number we got is a negative number, and we need to restore the previous number again. So after restoration we will get the number 0 0 1 1, and the quotient will keep the empty bit as 0, since we got the unsuccessful even. Next, in the step 4, again we need to follow the same procedure. It is left shifting. After left shifting of every number, we need to keep this last as empty, and next subtract the m, and will after subtraction, here subtraction means it's at addition only. 1 1 1 1, here is 0 and carry 1, and 1 1 here is 0. So we got the number, we got a positive number here, so this event is considered as successful. And if it is successful, then we need to add 1 at the empty bit here. So we completed our step 4. This is the last step, because we have selected number 7, which is a 4-bit number. So as mentioned in the algorithm, the number of steps is equal to the number of bytes. So this is a 4-bit number, and this is the last step, and at the end of the step we need to look at the number. So this is just 1, so quotient will be 1, and here it is 3, the remainder is 3. And let's verify when doing normal division method. After doing normal division method, we will get quotient as 1 and remainder as 3. So this is the restoring division method, and thank you sir for giving this opportunity to make a good new experience. Thank you very much sir.